Next, third one. The area of a circular lawn is 154 meters square. Find its circumference. So what is given means area of a circular lawn. Lawn means a garden with full of grass is called as a lawn. So area of a circle is given, that is area of a circle, that is value of A is given, that is A equals to 154 meter square. And what we have to find? We have to find the circumference. C equals to how much? The formula to find the circumference is C equals to 2 pi r. So to find the circumference, we need the value of r, but in the question the value of r is not given, area is given. By using this formula, area of a circle, let us find the value of r. So area of a circle A equals to pi r square. The formula to find area of a circle is A equals to pi r square. Area is given, that is 154 equals to the value of pi is 22 by 7 into r square. We have to find it. So write as it is r square. Next, cross multiply. 154 into 7 equals to 22 into r square. Next, r square equals to 154 into 7 divided by 22. Next, 22 ones are 22 sevens are 22 ones are 22 sevens are 154 will get. Therefore r square equals to multiply 7 sevens are 49. Next, we had to find the value of r. R equals to, when the square root, when it comes to the right side, it converts, when the square, when it comes to the right side, it converts into the root. So let us write the 49 in the square root. R equals to square root of 49. See here, the square root of 49 is 7. How we will get 7 means the square root of 49 equals to, this can be written as 7 into 7. This 7 into 7 is called as the square numbers. See, 36 can be written as, square number of 36 is 6 into 6. And 25 square number is 5 into 5. So these numbers are called as the square numbers. So I'll take that square number. 49 square number is 7 into 7. This can be written as 7 square. This square and this root will be cancelled. So we left over with 7. Therefore, the square root of 49 is 7. So I'll take here the square root of 49 is 7. So we got the value of r now. R equals to 7 meter. We have to write the unit also. So let us write here meter. The value of r equals to 7 meter. By taking this value, let us find the circumference of the circle. C equals to 2 pi r. So we have to find the C, no? C as it is, alright. 2 into pi value is 22 by 7 into r value is 7 meter. This 7 get cancelled. So how much is, we have to multiply the numerator. 2 into 22 is 44 meter. Therefore the value of circumference is how much? 44 meter. Let us solve the next one. Fourth one. A circular plot is of radius 77 meter. Find its value at rupees 175 per square meter. So let us write the given. So what is given means a circular plot is of radius, means radius value is given, r equals to 77 meter. And what we have to find? We have to find the value of the plot. Value of the plot means we have to find the area. So first we have to, by using the radius, we have to find the area. First we will find the area by using the radius. So area of a circle formula is A equals to pi r square. A equals to pi r square. A equals to, the value of pi is 22 by 7. The value of r is given, that is 77. R square means 77 into 77. Next, let us cancel. 7 ones are 7, 11s are 77. Multiply the numerator. 22 into 11 into 77. Let us multiply 22 into 11. 11 2s are 22, 11 2s are 22 plus 2 is 24, 242. 242 into 77. Next, 2 7s are 14, 2 7 4s are 28 plus 9 is 28 plus 1 is 29. 2 7s are 14 plus 2 is 16. Again multiply with 7, same number will get 4961. So 4. Next 9 plus 4 is 13. 9 plus 1 10 plus 1 plus 6 is 16. 6 7 8 1. So how much you'll get after multiplication? The area equals to, the area of a circular plot is 18,634. 18,634 meter square. Square meter or meter square we get. We got the area. Now we have to find the value of the plot. So value of plot equals to, value of plot is given per, the rupees is 175 per meter square. So multiply this area with 175. So how much we got? Area of the plot is 18,634 into 175. So multiply and write the answer by yourself. Let us continue the next one. Fifth one, the diameters of two silver discs are in the ratio 2:3. What will be the ratio of their areas? So diameters, it is given, it is in the ratio of 2:3, means let us take diameter D1 2 centimeter and diameter, next diameter D2 as 3 centimeter. So what we have to find? We have to find the ratio of their areas. Ratio of the areas means A1 is to A2. Two areas we have to find now. Let us take A1 is to A2. To find the area of a circle, what we need? We need the value of R. So we don't know the value of R. Let us divide this diameter by 2 because 2R equals to D. Because of that sake we have to divide by 2. Therefore R1 equals to, divide by 2 this diameter D1. So how much will get? 2 to get cancelled, 1 centimeter. Therefore R1 equals to 1 centimeter. Next let us find the value of R2. Let us divide this 3 by 2. How much will get? Same value only will get. It is not cancelled. So R2 is 3 by 2. We get the value of R2 is 3 by 2 centimeter. R1 is 1 centimeter. R2 is 3 by 2 centimeter. Now formula for area of a circle is A1 by A2. Let us take in this form, A1 by A2. The value area of a circle is pi r square. Pi r square means pi r1 square. Next pi r2 square. Next here see pi get cancelled. So r1 value is how much here? The value of r1 is 1 square and r2 value is 3 by 2 whole square. Next 1 square is 1 only. 3 by 2 whole square means it is square to numerator as well as the denominator. So how much will get here? 9 by 4. Next the reciprocal of 9 by 4 is 4 by 9. Therefore the ratio of R1, the ratio of their areas, that is A1, A2 is 4 is to 9. The ratio of their area is 4 is to 9. Let us solve the next one. Let us solve the sixth one. If the perimeter of a semicircular park is 72 meter, find its area and radius. What we have to find? We have to find the area as well as the radius. To find the area we need radius. So first let us find the radius and then we'll find the area of a circle. See here, perimeter of a semicircular park is given. That means semicircular park means AC. AC is the diameter. See this figure. AC is the diameter and AO is the radius. It is denoted by R. So AC. So let us take diameter AC plus AC is the diameter, then plus ABC. ABC, we can see here ABC. ABC is what? It is half of the circumference of a circle. It is what? Half of the circumference of a circle equals to 72 meter. Next, AC is the diameter. The radius is denoted by what here? From A to O, the radius is how much here? It is denoted by R. Therefore, what about the value of AC? AC equals to how much? AC is the diameter. Therefore, the value of diameter is how much here? 2R. AO is R, means from OC is also R. R plus R is how much here? 2R. 2 times of the radius equals to diameter. So we got value of AC equals to 2R. Let us write here. AC means diameter, 2R, plus ABC means what here? Half of the ABC. This ABC is what? Half of the half into circumference of a circle. It is ABC is nothing but 1/2 into circumference of a circle equals to 72 meter. So here 2R I'll write as it is, 2R plus 1/2 as it is. Circumference of a circle formula what? 2 pi R equals to 72. Next, this 2 get cancelled. So what will get? 2R plus pi R equals to 72. Next, we can see here what is common here? R is common. So let us take R outside. So what is left here? 2 plus pi equals to 72. Next, R into 2 plus pi. Value of pi is how much here? We know that value of pi is 22/7 equals to 72. So let us take here LCM. So how much will get here? Let us take the LCM and let us solve. 7. So 14 plus 7 is the LCM. 14 plus 22. So how much will get here? 36/7. So let us write here R into, after taking the LCM, what we got the solution means 36/7 equals to 72. Next, R equals to 72. When this 36/7, when it comes to the right side, so what will get means the value is, take the reciprocal of this number, so what will get? 7/36. Then 36 ones are 36 twos are 72. Therefore the value of R, 7 twos are 14. The value of R is 14 meter. We got the value of R is 14 meter. By using this radius, let us find the area of a circle. Area of a circle formula is what? A equals to pi R square. But we are finding for a semicircle. So let us take A equals to semicircle, no? Let us take A equals to half into pi R square. Half into pi R square. Next, 1/2 into pi means 22/7. The value of R is no. We know that. How much we got here? 14. R square means 14 into 14. Next, cancel. 7 ones are 7 twos are. So next, what we got? 7 ones are 7 twos are 14. Next, again we can cancel here. 2 ones are 2 11s are. Next, multiply all the numerators. 11 into 2 into 14. Next, 11 twos are 22. 22 into 14. Let us multiply here. 22 into 14. 22 into 14. 4 twos are 8. 4 twos are 8. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. 10. 308. So after multiplication, how much we got? Area of the semicircular park equals to 308. Here meter into meter, how much will get here? Meter square. So we got the area of a park is 308 meter square area, and also the radius. Radius equals to 14 meter. So still 7th and 8th problem, see the PDF and write, children. Let us continue in the next class. Thank you, children.